Hi, good morning, and welcome back to Operating System Platform presentation. Today we'll be looking at remote desktops. Let's get to the checklist. So, first of all, what we have to do is allow the remote desktop setting on our server. After that, we will connect remotely to the server from Windows 7 or Windows XP and Windows XP. So this is very simple, and let's get started. First, open up our VM. Go to the server. Now, when you log into your server manager will automatically open up. All we do is go to start, click server manager. Then go to configure remote desktop. From there, you go down to remote desktop, click allow connection from computer to any version. Right. From here, we can also select the users that we wish to connect to this computer. Of course, by default, all administrative users are granted access to connect. But we could also add other users, like for instance, we could add Kevin George and click check name and see Kevin George and click OK, and Kevin George, who is not an admin, will be able to log on to this computer, but of course we don't want that, so we'll cancel out. Alright, so we just make sure allow connection from computer running on any version of remote desktop, right, is checked, and click apply. Alright, okay, go to start, okay, then okay, so let's go to Windows XP, and then we will connect to the server remotely from Windows XP. So remote desktop, type in the IP address, which is 192.168.1, is already there. If you look across here, you can see that the local area IP address for this machine is 192.168.1. That's seen across here. Right, and go to options, and put experience. We'll go to the LAN. We'll choose the connection optimize speed or performance to LAN, which will give us all these features, desktop background and stuff like that. Right. We can also configure other settings like a display. We could use what resources we like to use on the computer. Once we connect it to the server from, let's say for instance that this XP machine was home, maybe working from home, and you want to use our printer from home. Once you connect it to the server, right, you could do that, right. Other programs that we can run as well. Alright, so just some few settings we could go through. What we really wanted was to increase the experience to LAN network connection to enhance our speed and performance. So let's connect. Make sure it's 192.168.1.1. Connect. So right now the computer is authenticating and creating a secure connection to the server. And there we go. So we are connected. We just have to log on to the server now. Our password. And notice the server machine has been logged off, and we are connected to the server from Windows XP remotely. So right now this is Windows XP, and this is the Windows 2008 machine, the server machine, and it's the XP machine, and we have server access, and we could make configurations and so on to the server. Right now, you could log off by simply pressing the X here, or by simply logging off. to log off. We'll get back to the Windows XP screen, and then we'll have to log back in here to go back to the server. So next, we are going to connect the Windows 7 machine. So Windows 7, start, go to remote desktop connections. I already have that there. I'm gonna click it so you could go through it instead of going through the shortcut. So again, we just type in the IP address of the machine we're about to connect to, and there's options again. We go through, it's basically the same options as Windows XP. We go to experience and we check the LAN for our network performance, and then click connect. Right now we need to authenticate our connection, so we type in password, which is the password for admin. There we go. Now connected to the server machine using Windows 7. Right. So again, just log off and we will return to the Windows 7 screen. There we go. And the server screen will be right there. So that comes to the end of our remote desktop presentation. Next video we'll be looking at group policy. So see you next time.